Namaste everyone, it's Shilpi Chugh, your yoga teacher. Welcome to my complete beginners yoga series. Today in this video, we are going to be focusing on how yoga helps to improve your flexibility. So if you are someone who feels that flexibility is one of your weakest suits, then this video is for you.
We are gonna start an extended child pose, so separate your knees as wide as comfortable with your big toes touching behind you. Walk your hands out and lower your chest and forehead down to the mat. Relax your shoulders, hips and all the muscles in your face. Just take a few deep breaths to ground and settle. Relax. Next is downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under and reach your hips high and back pedal out your legs to warm up your hamstrings and press your thighs for a long spine. Walk your hands to the back of the mat for a chest expansion. Interface your hands behind your lower back and with your knees bent. Head hanging heavy, reach your knuckles up to the ceiling and breathe and slow to create an opening through your shoulders and chest. Release. Slide your hands up your shins and pinch your shoulders blades together or halfway lift. If your hamstrings are tight, then bend your knees to release your lower back, forward fold with soft knees and let your head hang heavy. With the next inhale, stand up tall for mountain pose. Reach your hands up, but relax your shoulders and stand tall for the crown of your head. Long inhale. Exhale, forward fold. With the next inhale up, mountain pose. Exhale and go for forward fold. Next long inhale, halfway lift flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale once again, go forward, hold your shins. One more, halfway lift, long breath in, and as you exhale, walk on your hands out to a high plank, then drop your knees down to the mat for a modified high plank. From here, bend your elbows back and lower down halfway and come in upward facing dog. With the long inhale, come in downward facing dog. Big breath in, full breath out. Inhale and reach your right leg high. As you exhale, step out through to a low lunge. So your knees tucked and top of your ankle. Drop your left knee down to the mat and reach your arms up for crescent moon. Breathe deeper.